So today we're going to be taking apart the House of Blades exclusive Banter. This one was provided by one of our workers here, Susie. This one has a special engraving on it, so it's a little bit different from the ones that you'd be able to see. So you can see the other plain ones would be more like this here. To start off with though, there are 3 main screws. You can see the pivot screw here, one of the body screws on the clip side, and then one of the body screws here on the other side, and then the last body screw will be right here. So 4 main screws, 3 body screws. There's a couple of things that I would recommend getting before starting this, mainly a tool bit set. I use a WeHa tool set, although you could also purchase one of our Kershaw tools that we have on our website. We'll provide the link as well. And then I personally also like having some Loctite, just in case for at the end, if I want to make the pivot a little bit tighter. You can either use liquid Loctite here or this chapstick version. Both of them are good, it's just whichever one you prefer. And then some different things to clean it. To clean, I usually use some of these gun cleaning cloths, some Q-tips, and whatever cleaning oil or cleaning product that you have that you'd like to use. We use Benchmade Blue Loop Cleaner that we find works best. And then finally some pivot lube for the knife itself. This one is the regular KPL and then the KPL Heavy. Both of them are nice. The main reason I have 2 of them is so that we can use one for the pivot and then one for the actual lock bar itself for the detent ball. Alright, so to get started I'll just unscrew these screws here. I like to go through and just make sure that all the body screws are tightened, and then I go to the pivot and just tighten it enough to where there's a little bit of pressure whenever I try and tighten it. Then I see what the action's like. You can see this one is a little bit stiff now, so then I just loosen it just a hair. Then I see the action again, see the centering, then I'll try again.